go to Ask Scruff. So let's flick this over. Now, this one is for Crazy Castles, and it's a really simple question, and it's a one that I'll just do practically for you. How do you set up the fibs to get 10% mark for your box markup? Thank you. No problem at all. I've cleaned it off this particular fib tool. Now, this is MT5, but it works on every platform, works roughly the same way. So highlight it, click your properties, which is here. Go to the levels, and you'll see there'll be a list of levels here that you can use. I have mine vary. So if I want to add, say, 10% line, you would go whatever it is. So in this scenario, it would be 0.1 to equal 10, and add 0.9 to equal 90. Click OK, and then there you are. So you know there's a 10% box line there, and then 90 to 100 is a 10% box line there. Dead simple, just like that. So you just find it in your properties, add it in, and then it's there as you need it. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.